Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize a video in CapCut PC. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are in CapCut and I've got my media here selected and downloaded onto my timeline. So what you do is if you click onto your media, and then as you can see, you have got these 4 dots in the corner that you can click on, hold down, and then you can make your media bigger to whatever size you want to. You can also come over to the right hand side, and under video, you've got this option here that says scale. So if you drag and pull across this cursor, you can enlarge your video to whatever size you want to. 100% is going to fit the screen perfectly, but you can edit it to however whatever size that you would like. Underneath, we have also got this option that says uniform scale. So that is currently turned on. If you turn it off, you then have the option to scale the width on its own or the height on its own. So if you press on this little white button here and drag it, as you can see, we are making that width wider without it affecting the height. And then if we do the height, you can see there that we are affecting that height without the width. So that only works with that uniform scale option off. So I'm just going to turn it back on again. You can also click onto the media itself and then you can pull it around as well. And if you were wanting to just focus on one part of your screen, then you can do that and do that. So that's awesome. If you're wanting to change the size for, say, TikTok, you can come down here to this bottom where it says ratio. If you give that a click, and then you can change your ratio. There's lots of different options here, and then you can edit your video to fit in with that ratio. So you're probably going to want a 9:16 if you're doing content for TikTok. And that's it. That is how to resize a video in CapCut on a PC. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.